Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2010 Jaguar XF. So from any screen, if we click the home button there, which is that one, navigation, second from the bottom on the left. I've already used this, but if you hadn't, you would have to hit agree not to be distracted, the button first, and then you've got destination entry. Address, points of interest or postcode. We want postcode. Now we're at our new address, easy for me to say, we're at our new address, which is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, PR 54. Oh, hang on, I might have to put in a space. 4E8. OK. Destination. It's not immediately obvious what you've got to do there because you've just put your destination in and you've got all these arrows, but click destination. It's now searching for the route. And then also we've got start here, and it would be helpful if they put start in green or something so it would jump out at you from the screen, but anyway.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you set it. Thanks for watching.